This is a tutorial on how to install the ClassLink app on your iPhone or Android to access your student or staff ID. If you forgot your physical student ID card for lunch, attendance, leaving campus, or checking out a library book, you can download the ClassLink app on your smartphone and your student ID will be at your fingertips. You can also use your student ID to view your student PIN. Student PINs are now a 5-digit PIN. The print system is just these 5 digits. There is no longer a 9 at the beginning. If you have an iPhone, you will first go to the App Store and you will search for ClassLink. You'll select the ClassLink Launchpad, install it, get it, and then search for New Canaan. You should see it pop up with the NCPS logo here. Android devices are similar. Go to the Google Play Store, search for ClassLink, install it, and when you open it, again, you're going to search for New Canaan, sign in as usual. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoy using ClassLink as your one-stop shop single sign-on.